Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video I'm going to share you about my progress I have set up about this car experiment because I have to make a game like Grand Theft Auto. Okay, so I have to add some and move some controller on it because I want to make a car start engine and stop engine when the character gets in the car and gets out. Alright. Okay, let me explain a little. Okay. Alright. Look at my car's body and you can see there are a lot of logic break. Okay, now I want you to know about there one thing you have to know. The first one, okay, let's imagine when a character gets in the car. Okay, imagine a character gets in the car by press. Alright, by press F. Right, by press F. Okay, now the engine start. Okay, so I'm going to press some button to get out. Okay, you can notice about my car still moving. Okay, alright. Okay, let's count. 3, 2, 1. I press F. Oh no, sorry. Excuse me. Okay, my mistake. I gonna press spacebar. Okay, the key button from get out of the car. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, you can see I cannot control this car. Okay, let's play again. Okay, keep driving and suddenly I press spacebar. That means I get out the car. Now my car's still moving and finally it stopped. When I want to back to get in the car, I press F. Alright. Okay, now I'm going to press spacebar again to get out. Okay, let's see what happened. I cannot control about my car. The car moving and stop. Alright. Okay. You can try by myself. Alright. So if you use Blender 2.79. Okay, if you want to open my Blend 5 version 0.36. Okay, you have to do this. The first step, I'm going to remove everything. Now going to File tab and select Append. Okay, looking for UPBGE file. Uh, now select into object and select all of them and append from library. Now, okay, alright, I'm going to set to material report rendering. Alright, we have to remove material because the material is in node logic. Okay, just remove it. And point. Okay, I want to adjust to number 2. Okay, look at camera. Okay, okay, there are some issue on their wheels. Now let's fix it. Okay, the problem came from suspension. Alright, I want you to change some value. Okay, go to suspension L actuator. You need to set this type to loop stop. Okay, that's it. Okay, alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Now, you can open UPBGE 0.36 file by using Blender Game Engine version 2.79 easily. Alright, okay, let's try about get in and get out. Okay, when I want to get out the car, okay, I keep moving and suddenly I press spacebar. Okay, the logic still works. The logic still works. And back to car again. And press spacebar to get out. Okay, alright. Now, okay, everything is done. Alright, I think in the next video I will show you about how to make a character get in the car, a character get in many car, or get in a car more than one. Alright, in the next video I'm going to teach you about some Python, but it easily making it, it easy to learn. Alright, okay, so this video I hope you enjoy my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.